I told y'all I've been obsessed with curly hair this summer, and I definitely wanted to try out a highlighted short curly wig, and this hairstyle is definitely giving. I am loving it. The highlights are perfect for summer, and this length for summertime is everything for me right now.
I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit popping like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me?
I would like to thank WavyMy Hair for sponsoring today's wig install for you guys. So this wig is from WavyMy Hair, and this is one of their wear and go lace closure wigs. It has a 4 by 6 inch HD lace closure. It's 6 inches across, 4 inches back. And this is their water wave texture. It is 16 inches long, and she's super cute. I am loving this length, especially for summertime. Y'all know I've been obsessed with short curly wigs. And even though this isn't a curly texture, technically, water wave definitely gives me a summer curly vibe. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead, click that subscribe button down below, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. And if you would like to get into how I installed this wig today, as well as how I got these curls nice and poppin', y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
East Coast, always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Jon, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you'll see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, baby.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Ride my own ride.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
Start to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. Know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, baby. Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit popping like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Hit that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay forward on my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in accord. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hoes still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweet.
So I'm gonna do the same exact steps on the right side of my head, and I'll be right back, y'all. So here is the hair after I finished styling the right side too. I think it turned out super cute. You definitely could let this hair air dry, but I wanted to diffuse it just so that it would be dry and I wouldn't have like soaking wet hair for a few hours. If you're interested in checking out this wig from WavyMy Hair, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. If you have not already checked out my latest video, go ahead and check it out right now. I did a video on my top 10 favorite makeup setting sprays that keep my face looking flawless all day long, so you definitely don't want to miss that.